Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff, and today we're kicking off something a little different, but right up our alley. My son and I are tearing down and rebuilding the entire mudroom on his solid brick farmhouse. This is going to be big, it's going to be quality, and it's a father and son build you won't want to miss.
Demolition of the mudroom is beginning. I want to do a walk around and show you what we were working with here.
This old mudroom's seen better days. The main house, solid, 12 inches of brick and built like a tank. But this little wood-framed add-on, it just doesn't live up to the rest. So we're ripping it down to bare dirt, no shortcuts. New foundation, new framing, new roof, everything rebuilt the right way with quality materials and old-school craftsmanship. Here's a quick look at the mudroom teardown in time-lapse, just the beginning of something much bigger. We've got a full rebuild coming, new foundation, heavy-duty framing, high-end finishes, and that signature father-son craftsmanship. So if you like real builds done right, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along. You won't want to miss how this mudroom transformation turns out, only on 88 Mustang GT.